Hi guys, I'm Stefan. Welcome back to another lesson in my level 4 lesson book within the beginner piano course for solo learners. In this video, we're going to learn Mozart's Funeral March in C minor. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons if you're looking for, and there's going to be information below. And if you'd like to get the level 4 lesson book and gain access to the entire free course, links will be below. This piece is titled Funeral March for Mr. Master Counterpoint, which is basically Mozart's exaggeration of conventional features of funeral marches. And despite the title, the piece doesn't have any counterpoint at all. It's trying to be kind of a parody, but still a very nice piece. And it has a lot of contrast in it, not just in dynamics, but also in texture. And this chapter of the lesson book is all about the new key of C minor, so I thought this piece is going to give us something to work on in a very enjoyable context. So let's have a look. So as I said, we are in the key of C minor, so every B, E and A is going to be a flat, so don't forget the 3 flats. We are in cut time, so 2-2, a little bit faster than 4-4 would be, and it says lento, which is slowly. What we can see right here at the start in the first 4 bars is that there is a contrast. We've got these heavy big chords which are forte, so full of power and resonance, and then we have these single note melodies going together with the left hand, and that's supposed to be very quiet, so creating contrast not just in dynamics but also in texture. Now, you don't need to pedal for this piece, but I did pedal especially for the chords, not to create any sense of legato, but to make the chords a lot more resonant. Pressing down the pedal on a chord is going to give you a lot more resonance throughout the entire piano instead of just that one chord, so it's going to give you a much bigger sound, and then when you get to the piano section, you can create an even bigger contrast in dynamics. So let's see the left hand of the first 4 bars. It's octaves all the way through. If you struggle with octaves, your hands are too small, this one should be okay because it's not moving too fast. So starting on the C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And here you can see that there's nothing in the left hand, but we don't see a rest because the left hand notes are notated in the right hand clef. So all the notes in the first 4 bars of the right hand where the stems are going down is going to be played by the left hand. So jumping up 1 to the G, 2 and 3 and 4, and very gently and smoothly. 2 and 3 and 4, and back to the octaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and that's the first 4 bars. So heavy, big octaves and very gentle melody. Right hand starts with the C minor chord, C, E flat, G, first with an octave, then the octave disappears, and we've got these dotted rhythms which are very common in funeral marches, which is the long, short, long, so a dotted 8th or quaver followed by a 16th note semiquaver. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and now a G major chord with a B natural. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and hands together. So I'm going to pedal for the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and now loud again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and now we go on to the next 4 bars, starting in bar 5, left hand again starting on C, 1, 2, a C flat, 3, 4, B flat, C, C sharp, D, E flat, and now gently A flat, B flat, B flat, B, E. So finishing on a beautiful E flat major chord here. The right hand has some syncopation going on, so be very careful with the counting. 1 and 2 and 3, and 4, and. So all the quarter notes or crotchets are going to come on the and because we have syncopation. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now gently, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. And here in the end we've got these chords, so F, A flat, D, 1, 2, 4. Lift up the first two fingers and legato, moving on to the next chord. There we are, hands together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's a rest at the end. In bar 9, in the next 4 bars, we go back to our big resonant chords, but this time it's G major. So let's start with the left hand down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we jump up to the treble clef. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and ending on the E flat. So we jump up here and we have again this dotted rhythm which is driving the pulse forward. The right hand has a lot of jumps, so jumping from this G chord down an octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and now D, F, B, 2, 3, 4, 1, and now we have a beautiful legato line. Be very careful here, double notes and legato. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So making sure at least one note is connected all the way through so we don't lose that legato even if we don't use the pedal. There we go, hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Gently. Back to the octaves. And we go on to the final 4 bars. So going from bar 13, left hand E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, jumping to the treble clef again, F and A flat, 4, 1, 2, 3, octave, 4, C, G, C. Right hand, a C, 1, and then a C minor jumping down, 2, 3, 4, D flat, A flat, D flat, and jumping up, beautiful legato again, 1, 3, 2, 5, a big stretch, hopefully you can, and then stretching down to 1, 3, and G7 chord and connecting to a C minor. So let's see that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite a difficult chord to jump into and then connect through to the C minor. Hands together. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1. Piano, connecting, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, rest, and that's the end. So the biggest challenge with these chords, the big chords, is to make sure they go down very accurately and you have resonance and you're not pushing too hard when you're trying to play forte, but you're sinking into those keys and using arm weight, using the shoulders to create resonance and depth. So don't push the keys, sink into the keys. It's a different feeling. One of them is tense, the other one is not tense. And get those chords nice and accurate, and then very beautiful finger legato when you get to those piano sections.